leadership there, Brittany Wright, rescue veterinary technician in the state of North Carolina, became our manager. And under her in the leadership is Taylor Guzman, a registered veterinary technician. And then we have Ashley Binge as shelter attendant and Marissa Sparks as shelter attendant part-time. That group has done an outstanding job through the years to restructure that organization, to provide a partnership with our rescues, to provide a happy place for the animals that come in, and as well as trying to help enhance the shelter and animal services, and trying to enhance the education to the public, to make it a good atmosphere when the people come to adoptions, or if they have problems, issues, or needing vaccines or anything. Certainly through their help and hundreds of forever home adoptions each year to these deserving dogs and cats. They've helped enhance and promote the welfare of the animals as well as the responsibility to pet owners. They've changed the format of how people come in and wanting to become a pet owner. There is responsibilities to go with that and helping educate the public. They continue to partner with all our many animal rescue groups who want to see changes in the spay-neuter for our dogs and cats to help prevent that overpopulation in the county. And that's part of our discussions tonight. Susan Menard, Joy Harkleroad, certainly a big team member with the Mercy TNR program, and they every day work hard towards the animals here in McDowell County. It's an everyday process, an everyday challenge for all of us. And so I want to introduce Brittany real quick, let her speak, and then we'll bring Susan and Joy up to follow up.
And I do have handouts with numbers if y'all would like those after. So for 2021, for 2021, we took in 1,154 animals. Our total live outcome, which is adoptions, rescue, transfer to rescue, and return to owners, was 1,068. One of our big rescue partners in the county pulling animals from our shelter is Rusty's Legacy. They have a transport program that takes those animals to New York, Canada, New Hampshire, places like that. That being said, in the county that helps with animals that prevents them from coming to the shelter is Mercy Fund Animal Rescue. They did 126 community assists this year. That's animals prevented from coming to the shelter that they helped rehome with cooperating with owners. Okay. They also service a food pantry, which the ASPCA donated quite a bit of food to us that we in turn donated to them. That's not where all their food comes from, but that's where some of it did this year. They fed 38, almost 4,000 cats, 3,897 this year, and 1,988 dogs. So that's a lot of animals that were staying in their home when people couldn't afford to feed them. Okay, preventing them from, some of them from eventually have to come to the shelter. We have grown immensely with our return to owners in the shelter. We had our highest number that I have found to date, 194 this past year that went back to their owner. Most of those are dogs. I think this past year 6 of those were cats.